What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to Free to Be, where we'll be documenting my journey to financial independence. Now, I've set a pretty aggressive goal for myself to do this by 2025. It's 2019 right now, so we have a little under 6 years, really. I mean, if we go to the end of 2025, it's probably a little bit more than 6 years. But the point being that we are going to be trying real methods from passive income strategies to investment strategies to side hustles. I mean, you name it, we'll try it here. I will be documenting all my results, even if they don't turn out to be fruitful. That's not the point here. The point here is to go through this journey to see if it's possible, and I'd like for you guys to join me. So if you want to join me on this journey together, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below, turn on those notifications, and a thumbs up would always be appreciated. Let's get started.